Picture this. You're running late for an important meeting or stuck in the middle of nowhere, and suddenly, your car refuses to start. Panic sets in as you turn the key, only to be met with silence. Don't fret just yet. In this guide, we'll explore the potential reasons why your car won't start and provide actionable solutions to get you back on the road in no time. Understanding the issue. When your car fails to crank, it's often a sign of underlying issues that could range from minor to more serious mechanical problems. Before calling for roadside assistance or resigning yourself to the inconvenience, it's worth investigating the possible causes. Common culprits. Dead battery. One of the most common reasons for a car not starting is a dead or discharged battery. This could be due to leaving lights on overnight, extreme weather conditions, or simply an old battery that needs replacing. Faulty starter motor. If you hear a clicking noise when turning the key, it could indicate a problem with the starter motor. Over time, the starter motor can wear out, preventing the engine from turning over. Fuel issues. Running out of fuel or having a clogged fuel filter can also prevent your car from starting. Check the fuel gauge and listen for the sound of the fuel pump priming when you turn the key. Ignition problems. Faulty ignition switches or ignition coils can disrupt the flow of electricity to the engine, resulting in a failure to start. Starter solenoid issues. The starter solenoid is responsible for engaging the starter motor. If it malfunctions, it can prevent the engine from cranking. Troubleshooting steps. Check the battery. Test the battery voltage with a multimeter or try jump starting the car. If the battery is the issue, consider replacing it or getting it recharged. Inspect the starter motor. Listen for any unusual sounds when turning the key. If you hear a clicking noise, it could indicate a faulty starter motor that needs to be replaced. Verify fuel levels. Ensure that your car has an adequate amount of fuel. If necessary, try adding more fuel and attempt to start the engine again. Examine ignition components. Inspect the ignition switch, ignition coils, and spark plugs for any signs of damage or wear. Replace any faulty components as needed. Test the starter solenoid. If all else fails, consider testing the starter solenoid or seeking professional assistance to diagnose and repair the issue. Don't let a car that won't start derail your plans. Stay informed and prepared by subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and advice on car maintenance. Share this guide with friends and family who might find it useful, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. With a little know-how and proactive action, you'll be back behind the wheel in no time. Drive safely.